students, class 9th. We will do chapter 1, number system, exercise 1.2. In this exercise, we studied about to locate the irrational number on the number line. So I will explain you how to locate irrational number on number line. Root 2 is an irrational number. How to locate on a number line? First we draw a line of 1 unit, that is 1 unit. Here we take a scale. OA is equal to 1 unit is equal to 3 centimeter. Now what you do, at point A we draw a angle of 90 degree, either protractor or compass. Draw 180 degree angle and bisect it. It is 90 degree. You can draw with protractor also. Now join this point. Now cut AX also 1 unit, that is 3 centimeter. 1 unit, 1 unit. Now give this name B. Join OB. Now use Pythagoras theorem in triangle OAB. It is a right triangle. We know that hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square is equal to base square. Here P is 1 unit, base is 1 unit, square it. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, h square is equal to 2, hypotenuse is root 2. Now this root 2 you draw on a number line. So take OB as radius, draw arc. See how you draw the arc. Now I will take OB as radius. See, OB as radius and draw a arc and extend the line OA. Here this arc, cut this line, give this point C. This C point is a root 2 on the number line. So this is the point root 2 on the number line. So one time I will explain you again how to locate root 2 on the number line. Take OA 1 unit, at point A draw 90 degree and cut it 1 unit. Join OB. The distance of OB is root 2. Now take OB as arc and draw it till it cut the line OA at point C. So point C is a root 2. 2. Locate root 3 on the number line. Root 3 on the number line. So first we draw root 2 same as question first. So what we do for drawing root 2? Take OA 1 unit, OA is equal to 1 unit is equal to 3 centimeter. At A, draw an angle of 90 degree either you can draw it with protractor or compass. Cut it 1 unit, that is 3 centimeter. Give this name B. Join OB. By Pythagoras we calculate it as root 2. In earlier question. Now take OB as the base and draw a 90 degree at B with the help of compass, or you can do it with protractor. You can do with protractor also. So at angle 90 degree at point B, cut this also 1 unit, that is 3 centimeter as per scale. 1 unit. Give this name C. Join OC. Now in triangle OCB, it is also a right triangle. We calculate OC. We know that hypotenuse square is equal to P square plus B square. So OC square is equal to what is perpendicular? BC square. What is base? OB square. 1 square, BC is 1 square, OB is root 2 square, that is 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. OC square is equal to 3, so OC is equal to root 3. Now this root 3 we draw on a number line. So take OC as radius. See, I open the arc of the distance OC and draw an arc till it reaches, cut the line OA. Extend the line OA. It cut the arc at point D. This point D is a root 3 on the number line. So I will explain you again. First we draw a root 2. Take root 2 as a base. At point B, draw an angle 90 degree. Cut the distance 1 unit BC on the angle line and join OC as root 3. Take OC as radius. Draw an arc till it cut the line OA at point D, and root 3 is a irrational number on the number line. Chapter 1, exercise 1.3. In this exercise, we have to understand question number 3. Express the decimal in the form of rational number P upon Q, where P, Q are integers and q naught equals to 0. So we have to understand how to convert decimal with repeating numbers into p upon q form. First question I will explain you of your exercise 0.47 bar. 0.47 bar. This we have to convert into the p upon q form. Now take this as x is equal to 0.47 bar. As we know that bar means a repeating number 7777, so we write 7 into the bar. Here we see that point is in front of 4. We want to take this point here in front of bar. In question the point is given in front of 4, we take it as in point 7. So what we do, we multiply this with 10, whole equation with 10. So 10x is equal to 4.7 bar. Now, how many digits in bar? Here 1. So we again multiplied by 10. If 2 digits in bar, we multiplied by 100. But here it is 1 digit in bar, so we multiplied by 10. The whole equation multiplied by 10. 10 into 10, 100x. When we multiplied by 10, the bar shift one place to the right. 47.7 bar. This is equation 2. Now what we do? Subtract equation 2 minus 1. 100x minus 10x is equal to 47.7 bar minus 4.7 bar. So it is 90x is equal to 43. X is equal to 43 upon 90. This is the answer. Another method, or you can do in this way also. X is equal to 0.47 bar. Now same procedure, we take this decimal in front of 7, so multiplied by 10. Full equation 10x is equal to 4.7 bar. Now what you do, 10x is equal to how many digits in bar? 1. So we write as 7 upon 9. Similarly, when decimal we remove, how many zeros are in the decimal? Put that much zeros in the decimal. In denominator, here how many digit in bar? 1. So we put 1 9. If it is 2, we put 2 9. Now 10x is equal to, take 9 LCM, 36 plus 7. 10x is equal to 43 upon 9. This implies x is equal to 43 upon 9. You can use only one method. Express in the form of p upon q. The question is x is equal to 0.35 bar. Now what we see, that here 2 digits in the bar and the decimal is in front of 2. First we take this decimal near the bar, that is 3. We want to take this decimal. So how many digits here? 2. 0.2. So we multiplied it by 10. So 10x is equal to 2.35 bar. This is equation 4. Earlier I said how many digits in bar? 2. So here we multiplied by 10 or 100? Here we multiplied by 100 because 2 digits in the bar. So 100. So 1000x, 10 into 100 is 1000x is equal to 235. Bar means 353535. So here it is decimal shift. So 3535 already in the bar. This is equation 2. Subtract 2 minus 1. So 1000x minus 10x is equal to 235.35 bar minus 2.35 bar. So 1000 minus 10 is 990x is equal to 235 minus 2, 233.35.350. So x is equal to 233 upon 99. I think now you understand this question. One more time I will explain you. The question is like that: 0.353535 dash 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 353535. So it comes in bar. How many digits in bar? 2. First we take decimal near the bar. So how many far it is? 1 digit far, so we multiplied by 10. So 10x is equal to 2.35. This is equation first. Now again we multiplied by 100 because how many digit in bar? 2. So 1000x is equal to 235.0. Now subtract second minus 1. 1000x minus 10x, 235.35 bar minus 2.35 bar, 990x is equal to 233, x is equal to 233 upon 990.